Hello everyone, I am Anne from Team Small. I'm here to show you our latest build, which is the train station. In here, you can use the OmniPass, which you can use for traveling as well as opening secret rooms, and you can use it to transfer dimensions. The end train has not yet been coded, but I'm working on it. You can use this to press this button, and it will play this animation of you traveling in the train and entering the nether. You can see I'm in the nether now. On going back inside, I can use this OmniPass to get back to the normal train. This will play out another animation. And we are back in the overworld. So yeah, that's the update video. I'll catch you later.